तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
सुंदर सुंदर विनायका सुंदर विनायका सुंदर सुंदर विनायका सुंदर विनायका शुभमंगलदायक विनायका शुभमंगलदायक शुभमंगलदायक विनायका शुभमंगलदायक विनायका विघ्नकोटिहर विमल गजानन विघ्नकोटिहर विमल गजानन विघ्नकोटिहर विमल गजानन पर्ति गजानन ईश्वरी नंदन पर्ति गजानन ईश्वरी नंदन पर्ति गजानन ईश्वरी नंदन पर्ति गजानन सुंदर सुंदर विनायका सुंदर सुंदर विनायका शुभमंगलदायक विनायका शुभमंगलदायक विनायका विघ्नकोटिहर विमल गजानन विघ्नकोटिहर विमल गजानन सकल विघ्नहर पाहि गजानन विघ्नहर पाहि गजानन ईश्वरी नंदन पर्ति गजानन ईश्वरी नंदन पर्ति गजानन ईश्वरी नंदन पर्ति गजानन ईश्वरी नंदन पर्ति गजानन जय जय गणेश जय श्री गणेश 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 जय जय गणेश जय श्री विनायका
साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा गंगाधरा हर साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा नर्तन सुन्दर नटन मनोहर नर्तन सुन्दर नटन मनोहर नर्तन सुन्दर नटन साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा गंगाधरा हर गौरी शिवा गंगाधरा हर गौरी शिवा साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा
अम्ब शङ्करि परमेश्वरि शशिशेखरि अम्बा
अम्ब शङ्करि परमेश्वरि शशिशेखरि अम्बा
अम्ब शङ्करि परमेश्वरि शशिशेखरि अम्बा
परमेश्वरी शशिशेखरि अम्बा
सर्वेश्वरी जगदीश्वरी जगदीश्वरी माहेश्वरी अम्बा
सर्वेश्वरी जगदीश्वरी माहेश्वरी अम्बा
सर्वेश्वरी जगदीश्वरी माहेश्वरी अम्बा
सर्वेश्वरी जगदीश्वरी माहेश्वरी अम्बा
अम्ब सुन्दरी गुणमञ्जरी शिवशङ्करी 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 अम्बा
कादम्बरी श्वेताम्बरी हरिसोदरी अम्बा
कादम्बरी श्वेताम्बरी हरिसोदरी अम्बा
कादम्बरी श्वेताम्बरी हरिसोदरी अम्बा
कादम्बरी श्वेताम्बरी हरिसोदरी अम्बा
अम्ब शङ्करी परमेश्वरी शशिशेखरी अम्बा
अम्ब शङ्करी परमेश्वरी शशिशेखरी अम्बा
सर्वेश्वरी जगदीश्वरी माहेश्वरी अम्बा
सर्वेश्वरी जगदीश्वरी माहेश्वरी अम्बा
अम्ब सुन्दरी गुणमञ्जरी शिवशङ्करी अम्बा
अम्ब सुन्दरी गुणमञ्जरी शिवशङ्करी अम्बा
कादम्बरी श्वेताम्बरी हरिसोदरी अम्बा
कादम्बरी श्वेताम्बरी हरिसोदरी अम्बा
कादम्बरी श्वेताम्बरी हरिसोदरी अम्बा
कादम्बरी श्वेताम्बरी हरिसोदरी अम्बा
अम्ब शङ्करी परमेश्वरी शशिशेखरी अम्बा
कैलाशपते महादेव शम्भो कैलाशपते महादेव शम्भो कैलाशपते महादेव शम्भो कैलाशपते महादेव शम्भो हरि ओम नमः शिवाय हरि ओम नमः शिवाय हरि ओम नमः शिवाय हरि ओम नमः शिवाय जय शिव शंकर साई शंकर 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 ओम नमः शिवाय हे त्रिपुरारी भवभयहारी 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 ओम नमः शिवाय हे प्रलयंकर हर हर शंकर ओम नमः शिवाय हे प्रलयंकर हर हर शंकर ओम नमः शिवाय हे प्रलयंकर हर हर शंकर ओम शंकर ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय साई 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 ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो नमः शिवाय कैलाशपते महादेव शम्भो कैलाशपते महादेव शम्भो हरि ओम नमः शिवाय हरि ओम नमः शिवाय हरि ओम नमः शिवाय हरि ओम नमः शिवाय जय शिव शंकर साई शंकर ओम नमः शिवाय जय शिव शंकर साई शंकर ओम नमः शिवाय हे त्रिपुरारी भवभयहारी ओम नमः शिवाय हे त्रिपुरारी भवभयहारी ओम नमः शिवाय हे प्रलयंकर हर हर शंकर ओम नमः शिवाय हे प्रलयंकर हर हर शंकर ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय हे प्रलयंकर हर हर शंकर ओम नमः शिवाय हे प्रलयंकर हर हर शंकर ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय साई 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 ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो नमः शिवाय कैलाशपते महादेव शम्भो
गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो राम राम बोलो हरि नाम बोलो राम राम बोलो हरि नाम बोलो राम राम बोलो हरि नाम बोलो राम नाम बोलो हरि नाम बोलो अल्लाह साई येशु नानक अल्लाह साई येशु नानक अल्लाह साई येशु नानक अल्लाह साई येशु नानक सौराष्ट्र महावीर बुद्ध नाम बोलो 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 गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो हे नाम सारे है जीवन सहारे 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 परमानंद के खोते हैं द्वारे परमानंद के खोते हैं द्वारे परमानंद
कौसल्यनन्दन वैदेही मोहन कौसल्यनन्दन वैदेही मोहन राजीवलोचन रामा राजीवलोचन युगावतारा परमेश्वर रामा युगावतारा परमेश्वर रामा असुरनिखण्डन कोदण्ड रामा असुरनिखण्डन कोदण्ड रामा भरताग्रज श्रीरामा पर्तिपुरीश्वर रामा हे भरताग्रज श्रीरामा पर्तिपुरीश्वर रामा कौसल्यनन्दन वैदेही मोहन राजीवलोचन रामा युगावतारा परमेश्वर रामा असुरनिखण्डन कोदण्ड रामा असुरनिखण्डन कोदण्ड रामा भरताग्रज श्रीरामा पर्तिपुरीश्वर रामा हे भरताग्रज श्रीरामा पर्तिपुरीश्वर रामा कौसल्यनन्दन वैदेही मोहन
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भज मूढमते गोविन्दं भज मूढमते भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले नहि नहि रक्षति दुःखकरणे नहि नहि रक्षति दुःखकरणे पुनरपि जननं पुनरपि मरणम् पुनरपि जननं पुनरपि मरणम् पुनरपि जठने जय रे शयनम् पुनरपि जननी जठरे शयनम् इह संसारे बहुदुस्तारे इह संसारे बहुदुस्तारे इह संसारे बहुदुस्तारे कृपया पारे पाहि मुरारे भज गोविंद भज गोविंदं भज गोविंद भज गोविंद गोविन्दं भज मूढमते गोविन्दं भज मूढमते भज गोविन्द भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते
If you want, the best way to call me, he says, Shiva Shakti Atma Swarupa. So it's a combination of adoring him in the form that he has come, Shiva Shakti, the beauty of the form, at the same time Atma Swarupa, the one who is the indweller. Aren't we the luckiest to have seen the Lord in front of us and to experience his love within us as well?
When you speak of Swami's love, it is so overwhelming because, see, we call him and we know him as love,
Right.
the embodiment of love. But what is so beautiful is, Swami addresses us like that. In fact, if you want to see the common statement across all the discourses that Bhagavan has ever delivered, it is Prema Swarupalara,
Right.
embodiments of love. Swami, I think that is the greatest gift. See, any master, any person who is at a superior position will always want people under him or her. Swami didn't have that desire at all. Swami said, why are you worshipping me? In fact, Swami said in one Guru Purnima, I think 2002, Swami said, no more Pad Namaskar.
Right.
Because you and me are same, why are you falling at my feet?
Correct.
You know, that is that supreme selflessness where the descent of the Lord is for the ascent of man. But as you said, we are so focused microscopically on that mosquito that we are missing the elephant.
Right.
We are so focused on the miracles that we are missing that pure love. In fact, it reminds me of a very poignant episode that happened in Trai Vrindavan, Bhagwan's residence. We were all inside for a Trai session. That day as Swami came walking to sit on the Jhula, he appeared to be a little diffident or off, mood off, something like that, you know. We were wondering what happened to Swami. Then Swami suddenly said, boys, you believe Swami is God? We thought, what is this, Swami? You know, self-confidence is the first step. So we all said, yes, Swami. We all shouted, you know, how we used to shout when Swami, as one group comes, yes, Swami. The Swami seemed to cheer up a little bit. Then Swami said, that means whatever I am telling is the truth. Again, yes, Swami. Everybody said, you know. And then Swami said, all of you are divine. And, you know, we were just sitting like that.
There was silence, is it?
There was no yes, Swami now. You know, it's
Oh my God.
and think of it, Prakash, you know, any time in any discourse when we are sitting, most of the time, can sure speak for myself. Whenever Swami starts saying that you're divine, there's no difference, you're the spark of divine, Mama Ivamsho, Jivala, we are like, okay, these are all bouncers, you know, these are. Swami is saying, this is my message to you. And we say, no, Swami, you tell us to do bhajan and this we do. We don't want to go evolve at all.
Right.
But that is what it is. Swami is saying that whether you ask, who am I or who is Sai, both lead to the same. One is karma, one is bhakti, and both reinforce each other. In fact, if you remember, it was the 2008 Sai Sannidhi Day, 31st of August, when all of us Bhagwan students who have got the opportunity to work in Swami's institutions here with great blessings of Bhagwan we have got. When we were seated there, Swami had thrown open a session and Swami had spoken only on Advaita. Swami had said, why are you telling you have sorrow?
Right.
You are sorrow. Why are you saying you are happy? You are only happiness. What you're saying, I'm not able to control the mind. You're the mind. There is nothing other than you. You are divine. You are divine. Swami exhorted himself. At the end of it, you know, I just had this doubt and I ventured to ask Swami, Swami, if I say that I am divine, I am God, is that not ahankara? Is that not ego? Swami emphatically and instantly said, no, that is not ahankara. That is the correct satyam. And then he added a disclaimer. He said, but if you say that you are God and do all stupid things, and just like you are laughing, everybody in the hall laughed that day.
Right.
Swami said, see, not like that. When you say that you are God, you have to firmly believe you are God, and before you do any action, you have to think, will God do this? You know, I'm saying this because sometimes people ask, if I keep saying I am God, soham, then even if I go and hit somebody, no problem. Or if I am sincerely thinking soham, that thought also won't come that I'll hit somebody. I will exude that prema. Yad bhavam tad bhavati. Swami says Bharata began to look like Rama also because he was in thoughts of Rama. If we are in thoughts of Sai Rama always, how will we ever do wrong? How will we ever speak wrong? How will we ever think wrong? That is what Swami was emphasizing. Swami is saying that you are divine is good, but it should not stop just at lip service.
We should.
You need to practice it,
right.
embody it. And it was almost for me that day the message was inquire. Through bhakti, inquire who is Sai. Through jnana, inquire who am I. And they both will culminate. And once you know, you will, the answer is one, but that one answer will answer both the questions.
Exactly. In fact, Swami always says there's no difference between bhakti and jnana. And there's a beautiful incident again recorded by Professor Kasturi. They were traveling in the car and they were going to some place, Bangalore or somewhere, and Swami told him, just stop the car, and he says, get one piece of rock. And he was like, okay, Swami. He brought a small piece of stone. Swami said, not this, get a big one. So he brought a bigger one and Swami tapped on it and it became sugar candy. Swami said, see, if you had brought a small one, it would be difficult to break. Okay. So he brought a bigger one, he tapped it and it became sugar candy, he distributed to everybody, and then Swami said, any questions? So that is when they asked Swami, Swami, Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita that you should always think of him. Is it practically possible? No, is it-
Ananya Chintayanto Ma.
Is it practically possible? Swami said, no, you have got the meaning wrong. Krishna did not say think of me always.
Think only of me.
Think only of me.
without
Krishna-
thinking of anything else.
without thinking of anything else. Swami Krishna didn't say that.
Okay.
He said, Krishna said
Huh.
that think that there is no other, there is nobody else. See, there is a very subtle difference between thinking that I will think only of Krishna and not anything else versus I will think that there is nobody else.
That's so beautiful. It reminds me of another thing. There's this famous Neti philosophy.
Right.
It is said that in order to discover the Atman, who is God, you keep negating everything. Neti, Neti, not this, not this. Is this sofa God? No, not this. Is this God? Not this. Is this body God? Not this. Is the camera God? Not this. Everything, no, no, no. After negating everything, what exists is supposed to be the divine.
Right.
And Swami gave a beautiful twist to that. And that makes so much meaning, that is why we are so blessed from Swami. We directly get the essence. Swami said, Neti doesn't mean not this. Neti means not this alone.
Okay.
So when you say, is sofa God? Neti meaning not this alone. Means sofa is also God.
Right.
In one beautiful, truthful interpretation, Swami converted an excluding theory into an all-inclusive theory. Just like you said, it is not that don't think of anything else. Just remember there is nothing else other than Krishna.
Krishna. In fact, now that we are coming towards the end of this discussion, looking at all these points that we started off, we went in several branches, we went in several directions. But I think the main two directions was Bhakti and Jnana. Bhakti and Jnana. And yes, we have a form. Yes, we love this form of the Lord. Yes, we love to think of Him, we love to worship Him. And he says that is enough, that devotion is enough. Or you inquire within yourself, the great Adi Shankara, if he ended up writing Bhajagovindam, then what more to say? There is no difference between Bhakti and Jnana. There is a beautiful incident which I would like to end with, where we are wondering on how to contemplate on the Lord, how to contemplate on Swami. And again we turn back to Swami. So Swami had taken a set of students to Chennai, I think way back in the 80s, and all of them were sitting around Swami, and one of the student was taking Padanamaskar, and he was closing his eyes in bliss. And there was a lot of activity going on. Swami sitting on the chair, and Swami said, hey, take that box there, those sweets have to go there, those saris have to go there. Swami is directing all that, and this boy is putting his hand on Swami's feet and closing his eyes. And in between all that, Swami said, hey, kaiko sota hai? Why are you sleeping? Swami asked, why are you sleeping? And then this boy opened his eyes, and the warden came to his rescue. He said, Swami, this student, he meditates a lot. And Swami said, no meditation, he is only sleeping. Sach bolo? You are only sleeping, right? Then he kept silent, and then he said, Swami, I am trying to meditate. Swami said, see, all this is not needed. Then he said, meditation is very simple. Then he said, Swami, please tell me what is meditation. Then Swami asked this beautiful question. Swami said, do you have faith in me? Swami ke upar vishwas hai? Do you have faith in me? Then he said, yes, Swami. Then Swami said, I will tell you what is meditation. Very simple. See, if you are a devotee of Lord Shiva, you have to imagine the Jata Juta, you have to picturize the Ganga, you have to picturize the moon, you have to picturize the third eye, and if you forget one thing, you will go back again. And
So much to remember.
So much to remember. That's why I have come with this beautiful form.
Simple form.
Simple form. He says, look at Swami's hair.
Very
You see,
unique.
Very unique. He says, you can just close your eyes, chant my name, because this is what again Swami has given in Dhyanavahini. Chant the holy name of the Lord whom you love, adding Om in the front. Om, and chant the name. He says, see, this is the form I have come. Imagine my hair. Then come to my eyes. Have you seen such eyes? So Swami is describing his own eyes. See this nose. This is the divine nose. See this smile. So close your eyes, chant my name, and visualize my form. Come from the hair, come to my eyes, come to my nose, come to my chin, come to my smile. And then Swami says, straight down to my feet. Nothing else.
Oh, yes, so
He says,
sweet.
straight down to my feet. Come to my feet and see my feet. Have darshan of my feet. Again go up. Soham, Soham. He says, visualize this form, chant my name, nothing else is required. This is the greatest meditation, and that devotion, that love, if you have for the Lord, that's enough. He will grant everything else.
I think on that note, Brother Sai Prakash, we can keep going on
Exactly.
and on, because about Swami, really so grateful for this satsang. We are so grateful that we have got this opportunity, and to all our viewers worldwide, two of us are enjoying this satsang, but there's a huge hard-working team behind us that has made this possible. So we are grateful to Swami for this wonderful Radio Sai team. And we played a video of Swami telling us who he is. Now the video we are going to play is the outpouring of the heart of a devotee, where he's attempting to describe who Satya Sai is. While that first one was the Jnana Marga, this one is like the Bhakti Marga, and like this whole satsang revealed, the Jnana and Bhakti are the two strands of the DNA that will come together. So with gratitude to Swami, we will conclude with this song, very beautiful on the ears, beautiful on the eyes, definitely touching the heart.
काहे बांधे साई को जन्म मरण के बंधन, काहे बांधे साई को जन्म मरण के बंधन में, क्या इस सत्य को भूल गए, क्या इस सत्य को भूल गए कि साई बसे कण कण में, काहे बांधे साई को जन्म मरण के बंधन में, काहे बांधे साई को जन्म मरण के बंधन में। सबको समझाया मानव रूप मधुर धर के, साई ने सबको समझाया मानव रूप मधुर धर के, ये शरीर तो नश्वर है पर साई अनंत निरंतर है, प्रेम से ये दिया उपदेश, मेरा जीवन मेरा संदेश, सत्य मार्ग पर चल के बने हर जीवन साई संदेश, हर जीवन साई संदेश, हर जीवन साई संदेश। फिर साई के दर्शन होंगे हर पल मन के दर्पण, फिर साई के दर्शन होंगे हर पल मन के दर्पण में, क्या इस सत्य को भूल गए, क्या इस सत्य को भूल गए कि साई बसे कण कण में, काहे बांधे साई को जन्म मरण के बंधन में, काहे बांधे साई को जन्म मरण सृष्टि का है विधाता, उस पे समय का कैसा बंधन, उसका जन्मदिन कैसे मनाए, जो है अजन्मा नित्य सनातन। आओ साई की शिक्षा को जीवन में अपनाए, सबसे प्रेम और सबकी सेवा कर अवतरण मनाए, सबसे प्रेम और सबकी सेवा कर अवतरण मनाए। अब साई का जन्मदिन होगा, हर दिन हर पल हर क्षण में। अब साई का जन्मदिन होगा, हर दिन हर पल हर क्षण में। अब साई का जन्मदिन होगा, हर दिन हर पल हर क्षण में। अब साई के दर्शन होंगे, अब साई के दर्शन होंगे, अब साई के दर्शन होंगे, हर पल मन के दर्पण में। साई बनकर सारथी संग रहेंगे अंतर मन में। अब ये जीवन धन्य हुआ है साई के प्रति समर्पण में। अब ये जीवन धन्य हुआ है साई के प्रति समर्पण में। अब ये जीवन धन्य हुआ है साई के प्रति समर्पण में।
Swami Sarva Prajapati पिता गुरुदैवमु मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्र शयन ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी साई महादेव सत्य साई महादेव मंगल हारति अंधको मंगल हारति अंधको मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 सर्वे जना सुखिनो भवन्तु
जय बोलो भगवान श्री सती साई महाराज की
समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका